Find the best convection microwave ovens on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best convection microwave ovens on the market. 10. Equator Deco Combo Microwave Plus Oven. If you want a professional level convection microwave oven, it is better to start your search with this one. An innovative oven, it makes cooking really fun and your life much easier. This product actually describes itself as an intelligent combination of microwave and a convection oven. Therefore, it boasts having the best features from both microwave and convection oven. Of course, you can use it as a microwave with 800 watts power usage. Else, you can also opt for the convection mode at 1100 watts. Furthermore, this kitchen appliance actually allows you to make use of both microwave and convection heating to cook much more efficiently. 9. Sharp Convection Microwave Oven. An intelligent convection microwave oven, it combines the best of both convection heating and microwave technology. So, it is highly efficient and simply makes your life much better. Of course, in the convection mode, the oven can easily roast or bake and perform cooking functions. The microwave technology helps you to speed up the process of cooking to a great degree. Most importantly, this kitchen appliance comes with precise cooking sensors. Thus, it can automatically set the cooking time as per requirement. It comes with 8 different power levels. Hence, it allows you to choose the one you need to help you with your cooking purposes. 8. Farberware Black. Of course, a worthy inclusion, this convection microwave oven is undoubtedly a great choice for your kitchen. With 1 cubic foot of capacity, this oven certainly provides you with enough space for cooking. Next, the design of this countertop microwave oven is simply extraordinary. It has a sleek design and a stainless steel exterior with a black finish. Hence, it is obviously pleasant to look at. The oven has a stainless steel interior too. Therefore, you can just clean it with a dry cloth. As a matter of fact, it offers 3 different wattages. So, you will be able to set the wattage as per your cooking needs. Lastly, you get 11 auto cooking modes for different food items. Thus, you will not have to do any guesswork. Just choose the right mode to have hassle-free cooking. 7. Toshiba Microwave Oven. Toshiba is certainly a world-renowned name in the industry of electronic appliances. They offer high-quality appliances to a major class of consumers across the globe. So, this microwave oven obviously holds up to high standards. This oven also effortlessly combines microwave technology with convection cooking. So, you can use them separately or combine both modes to get a better result. The oven comes with intelligent sensors. Therefore, it certainly sets the right temperature without causing you much trouble. Besides, it also comes with a special reheating function. Hence, you can easily reheat the food to the right degree of temperature easily. Finally, the oven comes with an automated menu for baking, defrosting and roasting. You will always be able to effortlessly choose the right mode. 6. Sharp Convection Microwave Oven. A stalwart convection microwave oven for your household, this one from Sharp offers exemplary service. A countertop appliance, it comes with 1.1 cubic feet of interior capacity. Therefore, you will never have to worry about space to prepare your food. Furthermore, with this oven, you will be able to reheat, defrost as well as keep your food warm as long as you want. Also, it offers an inbuilt exhaust system. Thus, you get the proper circulation of the heat, thereby ensuring even cooking of your food. 5. Chefman Convection Microwave Oven. A highly unique product from Chefman, it helps you to live and eat healthily. The best thing about this appliance is the versatility that it offers. You can use this oven to cook, broil, bake and much more. In fact, it comes with a whopping 25 liters capacity. As a result, you will be able to cook large portions and feed if you have a large family or expecting guests. It also offers a temperature range between 200–450 degree Fahrenheit, so you can always set the right temperature that you need for preparing your food. 4. COSORI Convection Microwave Oven. Cooking can become a tiring ordeal after a long day at work. Thus, you need the right set of appliances to make the job easy for you. If you are looking forward to adding efficiency to your kitchen, then this convection microwave oven is definitely a great choice. Of course, the oven comes with 12 different presets. Therefore, it allows you to perform a plethora of cooking actions on a variety of food types easily. It also offers 5 different heating elements along with double fan settings. Hence, it offers even distribution of the heat and proper cooking. 3. Oster Convection Microwave Oven. Another great product. It not has a sleek design but also has an elegant look. A unique fact about this product is its double doors. Its design allows you to open both doors to take out your food. Obviously, it comes with a turbo convection technology. Therefore, it offers much more efficient cooking. However, the digital controls make it very easy to operate the oven. Besides, you can accurately set the time and temperature. And it also has an auto shut-off feature. Thus, you will never have to worry about overcooking the food. 2. Toshiba Microwave Oven. Here is another great product from Toshiba, perfect for your kitchen. Like its predecessor, it also has a stylish stainless exterior. The interior of the microwave oven is also of non-stick stainless steel. So, you can conveniently wipe it clean without much trouble. The oven has 10 different power settings. You can obviously choose the one that suits your needs and cook properly. Finally, it has a unique digital display, easy controls, and a 12.4-inch rotating glass. So, you can cook the way you want without hassle. 1. Panasonic Microwave Oven. This one sets at the top of our list for all the right reasons. It is the best microwave oven with convection that you can opt for. With a 2.2 cubic feet capacity, you will never go out of space for preparing your food. Plus, it has a stainless steel body. It is not only durable but also elegant. In fact, it comes with intelligent sensors that control the temperature depending on the food you are cooking. Thus, it absolutely makes cooking much easier for you. This Panasonic microwave oven comes with inverter technology. Hence, it offers a steady distribution of power for even cooking. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price, and more details of these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.